Hi, I'm Julie, and I did my 5-day weather observation from February 25th to March 1st. My site is located on my front porch in a box to help keep the snow off of it in North Pole, Alaska. It was a cold week. The average the average temperatures this week were in the teens, and the lows were sometimes in the negatives. If we look at the graph, it was a cold week. The pressure varied throughout the week. The cloud coverage for the week was the altostratus, meaning that the sky was covered, but the sun was barely visible. The wind was about a 2 on the Beaufort scale, coming from the west sometimes. This was my worksheet for my final one that I did. The only difference was this one I did later at night, but I did note how the cloud coverage was earlier in the day.